Good afternoon to all of you. I hope that you are feeling good today. Thank to God for another day in this year. Okay, so my name is Brandon Viveros, and I'm doing my English degree in the University Corporation of the Caribbean. Okay, I'm 21 years old, and you know. Okay, so in this video, I'd like to show to you what are the usage of with sentences with the usage of the symbols of the phonetic words. I'm going to show to you some pictures that has a relation with the sentence. So let's go. With the first one, we have the cat is on the TV. The cat is on the TV. Next one. I love Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. This is a dinner that is celebrated in New York. You must set goals up. You must set goals up. So here the symbol is in set. So let's go. Yesterday I went to the zoo. Yesterday I went to the zoo. Let's go. My mom loved cruise ship. My mom loved cruise ship. A pirate has a great treasure. A pirate has a great treasure. So next one. Remember that I have fun, or I'm according with the British pronunciation, because in American pronunciation, or if you want to pronounce as an American, you say treasure. Treasure. But in British, you say treasure. A pirate has a great treasure. So there you go. They have a nice hat. They have a nice hat. Hat is what do you use in the top of your head. So next one. I love potato chips. I love potato chips. Potato chips or potatoes. Potato chips or potato chips. Next one. New York Bridge is amazing. New York Bridge is amazing. When I say amazing, it's because it's wonderful, or it's something that is nice. It's well for you, or you're looking that has that you see that is great. It's great for your eyes. I will be a mayor. I will be a mayor. I will be a mayor. Maybe I will be a mayor in Bogota. I will be the mayor from Buenaventura. I will be the mayor, and so on. Nobody loved me. Nobody loved me. As you can see in the picture, we can see that Bart, he's a character from Simpsons, that he's alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. When I say I'm alone, it's because he doesn't have nobody. He has nobody. Nobody loves me. My son has a favorite singer. My son has a favorite singer. Who is he? I don't know. Maybe it's Wiz Khalifa, Gilberto Santa Rosa, and so on. This is a lemon. This is a lemon. This is a lemon. Lemon squeeze. We ride our bike well. We ride our bike well. This is famous. I wet my face every morning. I wet my face every morning. Or in spite of this, we can change the verb wet, and we can say wash. We can replace that word with wash. I wash my face every morning, or I wash my face every morning. So guys, this was the last one. So I hope that you love, that you like a lot this video. So, and thank you for paying attention. See you in another occasion. Remember, my name is Brandon.